In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to delete everything from any Android phone. It's going to be a real quick and easy video, so let's jump right into it. Now to remove everything from your phone, you simply not need to open up your settings of your device and you simply search for a factory reset. On most Android devices, it's going to be the same name as factory reset. Once you tap on it, an option should pop up and it's going to show you all of the things that are going to be deleted. Now before you delete them, make sure you back up or move the things that you need, such as photos, videos, or any other files. Now you can tap on erase all data on the bottom and it's going to remove all of your data that is stored on your Android phone. It could take a couple of minutes depending upon the data you have, and that's about it. That's how you can delete everything from an Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up and also share this video. That's all for today, and I'll be back with more similar videos. Thanks for watching.